The Asclepias, or milkweed, has gone to seed, and we can let this just fly everywhere and put milkweed seeds everywhere, or you can start collecting them. See, these have come here, and you can collect them with these, or you can take the seeds off of them and just collect the seeds by themselves. Yeah, they're very easy to collect, especially at this stage when they're about to fly away with the wind. But you end up with some seeds that you can save and plant in the spring in a different place. You can store these in an envelope and put them in your refrigerator, or you can just put them in a cool, dry place. And then in the spring, when the temperatures warm up, plant them outside.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.